Touchscreens may seem small for big ideas sometimes. What about a touch-sensitive wall? That's where i-MANTA comes in. i-MANTA, a magic interactive whiteboard accessory that transforms any display into a touchscreen. Simply plug into laptops or computers. Quickly set it up by calibrating 4 corners of the screen, and you're good to go. Desire a bigger screen for creation? i-MANTA satisfies your needs. Not only does it turn screens touchable, but also walls. Gently tap with the accompanying pen and drag. i-MANTA will sense the actions and respond quickly. It's also tiny and handy. Take it with you to the office or on travel. It'll be your good meeting assistant. Wish to have touch panels on all your devices? Well, you wish. i-MANTA delivers. When you have a new idea, you can immediately draw it on your screen. Bring i-MANTA to work. It will greatly improve your efficiency. It functions well with any flat surfaces, whether it's a laptop screen, a TV, a whiteboard, or even a wall. Just tap, swipe, and draw, and your job is done in no time. It works for both Windows and Mac systems. No matter if you're a hardcore gamer, a designer or a music composer, a business elite, i-MANTA will accommodate you well and make your day. i-MANTA, make every flat surface smart and touchable.